So, welcome to episode 2 of
I Want to Die.
I Want to Die.
I Want to Die.
So today is all about Millie.
Me. Today's my day. Today is the day I'm dyeing my hair pink.
Finally! Woo! How long have you been waiting for this day, would you say?
Years.
God.
Years. I was pink 4.5 years ago and it was the best time of my life and I took it for granted. I was working like a part-time job in retail. I was at uni. I had everything in front of me to have pink hair and I didn't have it for long enough.
You didn't appreciate what you had.
Nope.
Which was the perfect shade of pastel pink.
It was amazing. And then I went into the corporate world and simply could not.
Girl.
Simply could not.
Millie sold her soul to the corporations at a young age.
I did. Got a media job, so I can finally be my true self, and I'm very excited.
Yay!
And you're about to see the real me.
The real you. Millie's been faking it this whole time.
Yeah, I've been a corporate drone.
Yeah.
And now I'm ready.
Yes!
I'm ready.
What Millie has done is watched about 3,000 videos on dyeing pink hair online.
Tiasha can see our watch history because we have the same account, and
it's something.
it's a lot. I'm like self-funding Brad Mondo.
Yeah.
He's like, I pay his bills at this point. If you've posted a pink hair dye video, I've watched it at this
Guaranteed.
point.
She's watched all of them.
I watched every single one. Some of y'all are real funny. And then I bleached it 3 days ago with some coconut oil in my hair. My hair is actually standing the test of time. It's not dried out or damaged really.
So she found that online. You bleach your hair with coconut oil in it. Which for me, if I had read that, I would have been like,
It'll make it patchy.
I don't get it. Like, how does it touch the hair if it's covered in coconut oil?
It works, guys. That's my one tip to you from my
Pause!
Bless you.
They come in threes.
So, after my thousands of hours of research on YouTube, a lot of people were dyeing their hair, bleaching it with coconut oil in it, and it really helped with the conditioning and made it less damaged when I washed out my disgusting bleach mess. So that's a true fact for you guys. Definitely, if you're going to bleach your hair, to minimize the destruction, put some coconut oil in.
So we know there's quite a lot of yellows in Millie's hair at the
Of
moment,
course.
but our aim for today, let's put an inspo photo.
Yes.
So you know what you want. It's something like this.
I want this.
So we're happy for the peachy tones to come through, so that's why we've left the yellow in Millie's hair. We could have bleached another time, but we want that peachy tone.
Yeah.
In terms of what we're using today,
Now that I have the freedom and ability to go pink, I want to try out a lot of pink, so in the future there'll be more episodes of I Want to Die. I've ordered Arctic Fox, I've ordered Lime Crime, and they both look amazing. But in the meantime, we've got Brite Organix. I've used it before, it's what I used to use to go pink. It is
trustworthy.
so I got the pink, not the baby pink, purely because I think the baby pink's a waste of money because you can just put conditioner in it yourself.
And you have more uses in this then.
So this
Put
will
a
last
little bit in your
forever.
shampoo, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys are recommending to us that you put a little bit of dye in your shampoo, and every time you shampoo, then it keeps it like coloured, and we've heard of that before and we love that idea,
Yeah.
so we can keep that going. It's a brand that we know, we trust. We'll be interested to see, I think now it's a bit of a guessing game of how much conditioner to mix in it, because that was a mistake we made last time as well.
Yes.
Too much conditioner. So we're going to be a bit careful this time.
Yes.
But
Tiasha currently has Brite as the blue in her hair,
Yes.
and that has lasted for
that's the only colour that stayed out of the purple and the turquoise we put in, which is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So the blue has not only fixated to my hair, it's like run down and bleached coloured everything else, which is fine.
So if that says anything about the lasting power,
Yeah. Schwang.
yes. As you can see, I'm very high. I'm so excited. Get it in my hair.
Millie's okay, also you guys should know, Millie interviewed with this kind of coloured hair for her job, and tomorrow's her first day, and we were like, you could go in with blonde hair and like dye it later when you're more comfortable in the job, or you could just dye it now and like not
Set
give
a
them
precedent.
Yes, just be like, I've always had this hair.
I'm the pink head girl.
Yeah.
You know that.
We're actually trying to gaslight Millie's boss and be like, I've actually always had this hair. I don't know why you thought I had blonde hair. It's always been pink.
You interviewed me with pink hair.
Yeah, that's crazy that you think it was blonde. Why would I be blonde?
So it's better to ask for forgiveness
Yes.
than permission.
Yes, it's better to gaslight.
We're pro gaslighting.
Yeah. So today's episode is I want to die gaslighting Millie's boss. So I think we should get started.
Yay!
I cannot wait another second.
Alright guys, stay tuned for some pink realness. The best conditioner to use to dilute dye is one that's free of silicone.
Silicone?
Silicone, which is the stuff that builds proteins in your hair.
Okay.
Crazy. But what it also does is blocks the colour from going in. Because it's creating like a
see.
barrier over your hair, so it kind of like does not let it penetrate. So I've chosen one that's, I don't think it really matters.
I think it does. I think these things are very important.
The silicone thing is like a myth on the internet, which might be true. I don't know.
Alright, I think you should go wash this again.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
And then we'll get started.
I'm disgusting. I'm so sorry.
Alright, let's mix this bad boy.
And I also don't mind if it's like kind of a vibrant pink.
Yeah. Because you want it to wash into something. I'm nervous! Oh my god, I just want it to work so badly.
I know.
I think it's safer to put more dye than it just not turn up on your hair, you know? And remember that your hair's a bit darker than it should be for a pastel. Don't be scared.
I am terrified. Maybe a bit more dye?
Yeah.
I feel good about this. Are we sure it's not too... No, it's fine. Oh, it smells yum. Oh, it's just conditioner.
Do you reckon? Give me a sec. Let me put a tiny bit on your hair and then we can tell if it's too conditioner-y. You know? Huh. No, I think it... Ooh, I put a bit more colour.
What colour?
Tiny bit more colour. A raspberry Kool-Aid! Alright. Yeah, we're gonna be okay. We're not gonna run out of dye, that's fine.
We're fine.
Okay, oh shit. Okay, y'all, we're done. This is our...
Okay. Don't come for my hair loss.
Where, can you see it? Yeah.
No, there's nothing. There's like 2 strands.
This is the...
Yeah, my hair's falling out from all the...
It's not too bad.
It's
not
fine.
too bad.
It's actually...
It's quite good.
Minimal for what I'm used to.
Quite good. So, I'm excited.
It's the same colour as your lipstick.
It is for now, but we know how these things work.
Yeah, too many times we've put in too much conditioner and we wash it out and we're like, well, where's the colour?
Yeah, so that happened halfway through this.
Yeah.
Because Millie got scared. And then I was applying it and I was like, Millie, did you not put enough dye again because you're scared of colour? Because a lot of these strands are looking a little yellow even though I put some dye on them. So let's see how it goes. I hope it's not uneven.
I think it'll good either.
Nothing's guaranteed in this world.
This, we handed it to us on a silver plate. We could have had this. I think it's gonna be amazing.
You look cool with hot pink hair too. Look at you.
Either way, I'm
you
gonna
look
be
like a
I'm
hot
gonna look sick.
lesbian.
And if it like,
Fuck.
if it stays this color, it'll just wash out to a beautiful color.
Look at you. You literally look like Kristen Stewart level cool.
Ah!
The 2 worst case scenario here is that you have pink hair. Too vibrant or not vibrant enough, but you still will have pink hair, and I'm sure you'll rock it. So we're gonna leave it in for how long do you reckon?
The box says 10 minutes, which is a damn lie.
It's only for like if you want hot pink hair, so you don't. So I put heaps of conditioner in. So.
I honestly, when I used to do manic panic and stuff, I would leave it in overnight, but I'm not gonna do that. I'd say 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna leave for 30 to 40 minutes. We're just gonna have a shower and then we'll show you the end result.
Ooh.
How are you feeling?
Excited. We're going in. I'm gonna shower. Pray for me, fam.
Go.
I think it took.
Oh, holy shit. Holy shit! Oh no.
No. I have... We'll see.
Oh my god, it's so magenta. Oh my god, really?
Right. Okay, it's chilling out. It's chilling out a lot.
I mean, you look like a dream.
It looks so nice. Does the curtain match the drapes?
Jesus Christ.
No.
Okay,
It worked.
let's do it.
It worked.
So, the dye took.
A little too well, but it looks good.
It looks great. It's more vibrant than we hoped, as usual. Can never really nail it. Can never really learn from our mistakes.
But do I want to dye? No, not today.
No.
I love it. And it's gonna, like, one wash and this will be the perfect baby pink.
It's, exactly.
Yeah.
The perfect pink is very hard to do.
Some would say impossible unless you went to an authorized professional.
Yes. It's funny how people who are trained to do it can do it.
It's funny how you can pay money for a service.
Yeah. Or you can pay probably accumulatively the same amount of money.
In mistakes and trial and error.
Yeah.
And get your own results.
So, yes. Your hair looks stunning.
It does.
You look like a tequila sunrise.
I do.
You didn't want this color,
No.
but
I'm happy with it.
interesting. I really do think you look amazing.
Thanks.
You really look like a marshmallow.
That's true. I'm finally a marshmallow gal.
Yeah.
It was a success.
Yeah. I think it looks really pretty, so it was a success. But I'm disappointed that you didn't get the color that you wanted.
That's okay. I'm excited for it to
Yeah.
fade. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, I think you look amazing. Oh! We are perhaps doing a fringe today?
Yes, we are doing a fringe.
We are?
Let's just do that now.
Should we do that?
Let's just do that now. I'm gonna
Yeah.
do a fringe because I think it'll look cute.
Yeah.
We're gonna cut a fringe. We'll be right back.
Yes.
Pro tip: don't use blunt scissors.
Interesting.
Just a little hack for you guys. Just a little inside tip. Use sharp scissors. In no world can I imagine this is a flattering angle of me.
No, you look stunning.
I don't believe it. We're getting there.
Oh! Look at me again. Who is she? I cannot believe you look like this. It's crazy to me that I have a friend who looks like this.
My outside finally matches my inside. Professional hairdresser.
You look like an angel.
Because my hair does everything in its power to have the like Dwight Schrute middle part. That's all it wants in its life, and I'm just like, no. Alright, I'm happy. I'm good.
You know what's interesting? In the mirror, your hair looks lighter.
I know, it looks
And
light.
then here, it's like super vibrant.
Love how it looks in the mirror. Like, the color looks perfect in my opinion in the mirror.
The mirror is the color we wanted.
What color does it look like in real life? Like,
I'm so confused. But wait, get real close. Like, look at your.
No, I love it in the mirror.
Oh my god, this is so weird. It's like you from the future after you've had a shampoo.
I'll see you later. I look amazing. That's just the. That's it.
She's a queen amongst plebs. Look at her. Okay, y'all.
Sorry, I'm so obsessed with myself now.
No, and you know what? Yes.
I love it.
Let me see what you look like. A queen, an angel.
What do you guys think? I hope this helped you guys. If you are out there binging on pink hair dye videos, just do it. It looks dope.
It'll look dope no matter what.
It can go wrong and it's still going right.
Yeah.
Is what I'm telling you.
Yeah, pink hair on people is like our natural state.
We should have been born with pink hair. Something just went wrong.
Yeah.
I'll be doing more pink hair videos with other brands. It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Watch my trial and error.
I'm so excited to see what it looks like.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe so you can get the updates and get the new videos.
Yes, and turn on your dang bell.
Dang bell. Ding ding, baby. We'll come to your house and make sure if we don't hear that ding when we upload.
We'll ding your doorbell.
Hey, we have a new upload. We're not gonna harass you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked it.
Yes, leave any comments below or feedback or anything.
Say my hair sucks. Say
Don't
you love
say
it.
that. Don't say that.
I'm open to criticism.
No, we don't want that. You keep that negativity out of
Keep
here.
it to yourself.
I can't wait to see what your grandma says.
She might die. We don't know. Thanks guys.
Oh, have a lovely day. Follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. We're at Marshmallow Gals, Gals. And until then,
Don't forget to keep it cute
and keep it sweet. This could be for like Peter Alexander, and I am not lying.
Where are we going?
Cute.